From the private pool to the home theater, a distinguished lifestyle awaits at this custom single-story home. Beyond the gated courtyard lies an elegant interior with travertine floors, hardwood finishes, and refined stone and wood details. Welcome to 33 Promontory Ridge, securely located in the guard-gated community of The Ridges.
This great room is built to impress, with 18-foot wood-paneled ceilings, a wet bar, and a wine cellar with space for over 750 bottles. With a large island, granite countertops, and a full suite of Viking appliances, this kitchen offers everything you need for casual meals and gourmet dining alike.
Have a quick breakfast in the sunlit dining nook. Host a formal dinner in the elegant dining room, or dine al fresco on the covered patio. Perfect for entertaining, the backyard features a generous pool and spa. Amenities of the spacious owner's suite include a fireplace, an enormous closet with built-ins, dual vanities with a beauty counter, a jetted bathtub, and an oversized steam shower. 3 additional ensuite bedrooms with walk-in closets complete the main house, while the attached casita, currently used as an office, could be used as an optional 5th bedroom.
Enjoy movie nights in the home theater, which offers an immersive experience with a 144-inch projector screen.
Residents of the Ridges enjoy guard-gated security and exclusive access to the 9,000 square foot private club Ridges, which includes a state-of-the-art fitness center, multi-depth swimming pool, year-round heated lap pool, and multiple tennis courts. Plus, you're just minutes away from fantastic shopping, dining, and entertainment options at downtown Summerlin, Las Vegas Ballpark, and City National Arena.
I'm Monica, Director of Sales at the Rob Jensen Company. If you're ready to explore this exceptional opportunity in the Ridges, call us today to schedule your private tour of 33 Promontory Ridge.